Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add windshield washer fluid in 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 and all the way up to 2020. First, open up the hood by pulling this hood lever. Then open up the hood and secure it with hood rod lever. And then lift up the hood. The next step is to locate your windshield washer fluid reservoir, and on this vehicle is located on the passenger side right here. So you can see it has a yellow cap. Now just simply open it up and add some fluid. If you are living in cold climate areas, I would strongly suggest to add windshield washer fluid that's suitable for cold weather. So I'm adding fluid that's good up to minus 35 Celsius. Another thing, if you still have some summer windshield washer fluid, I would recommend to empty that before adding your winter fluid, so your summer doesn't freeze up. I have message here that I'm low on windshield washer fluid, and since this is like summer fluid inside and it's all almost empty, now before I'm gonna add winter washer fluid that's good for up to minus 35 Celsius, I'm gonna empty this up, and that way I'm gonna prevent that summer fluid freezing when we have cold temperatures. And that's it, it's almost gone. And that should be it. And now I'm gonna add fluid. When you're done, just close the lid. And that should be it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.